Daily Slow English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Slow English. In Part 3, we will practice daily errands. We will learn how to order a taxi, visit a clinic, and get a library card. We will also practice office conversations and talking about things in the past. Before we begin, I have a quick question. What does the word renew mean? Listen carefully to find the answer. Let's begin with ordering a taxi from the hotel.
Good morning. Are you heading out? Do you need any help today?
Good morning. Yes, I am heading out. I need to order a taxi, please.
Of course, I can help with that. Where are you going today?
I am going to Central Station. I have a train to catch very soon.
Central Station. Understood. What time does your train leave the station?
My train leaves at 10:40. I really hope I am not late.
Let me check the time. It is only 10:12. We still have plenty of time.
Oh, good. I feel very nervous. This is my first time taking the train here.
I completely understand. We will do this slowly and clearly so you feel safe.
Thank you so much, David. That makes me feel a lot better.
You are welcome. Now, how many people will ride in the taxi today?
It will be just me. I am traveling alone today.
Okay, just one passenger. Do you have any heavy luggage with you?
Yes, I do. I have one large suitcase and a small backpack.
Got it. We can call the taxi right now or schedule one for later.
Right now is better, please. I want to be at the station early.
I am calling the taxi company right now. Please wait one moment.
Okay, I will wait. But what if the taxi driver cannot find me?
That is a very good question. I will tell you exactly what to say on the phone.
Okay, please tell me. I am ready to listen carefully.
If the driver calls, just say, I am at the main hotel entrance.
I am at the main hotel entrance. I will definitely remember that.
Perfect. And then you should add, I have one large suitcase.
I have one large suitcase. Okay, I think I can do that easily.
You are doing great. That is all you need to say to the driver.
Wait a second. Where exactly is the main hotel entrance?
Do you see those big glass doors right behind you? That is the main entrance.
Oh, I see them now. Thank you for pointing that out to me.
Please wait inside the lobby until you see the taxi. It is warmer here.
That is a very good idea. By the way, do I pay you or the driver?
You will pay the driver directly. Most taxis accept both credit cards and cash.
Okay, paying with a credit card is much easier for me.
Great. Okay, the company just replied. Your taxi is officially confirmed.
Confirmed. That is wonderful news. So, it is coming here soon?
Yes, the driver said he will arrive in about 6 minutes.
6 minutes. Okay, I will stand right here and wait.
When the taxi arrives, I will point it out for you so you do not miss it.
You are very kind, David. That would help me a lot. Thank you.
To schedule means to plan something for a specific time. Always tell the taxi driver how much luggage you have. Now, let's look at situation 11. Arriving early at the clinic.
Hi there. I think I am a little bit too early today.
Good morning. That is perfectly okay. How can I help you today?
I have an appointment to see the doctor, but it is for later.
There is no problem at all. What time is your appointment scheduled for?
My appointment is at 2:30 this afternoon.
I see. And let me check the clock. It is 1:45 right now.
Yes, I know. I feel a bit silly for arriving so early.
Please do not feel silly. Many of our patients arrive early.
Really? I thought it might be annoying for the clinic staff.
Not at all. In fact, it shows that you are very responsible.
Oh, thank you for saying that. That makes me feel much better.
You're welcome. Now, could you please tell me your full name?
Yes, of course. My name is Grace Miller.
Thank you, Grace. Let me quickly check you in on the computer.
Great. So, what do I need to do right now?
You can wait comfortably.
Yes, it is very similar. I just need to confirm that you are here. Okay, all done. You are officially checked in for your appointment.
Great. So, what do I need to do right now?
You can wait comfortably in the waiting area right over there.
Okay, I will go sit down. Thank you for your help.
To check in means to let someone know you have arrived safely. It is always a good idea to arrive a little bit early for your appointments. Next is situation 12, getting a new library card. Let's watch.
Excuse me, I want to borrow this book today, but I am not sure how to do it.
Hello there. No problem at all. Can I please see the book you want to borrow?
Yes, here it is. It is a very interesting book about cooking simple meals at home.
That is a great choice. Before we begin, do you currently have a library card?
A library card? No, I do not think so. I am completely new to this city.
That is perfectly fine. You just need a library card to borrow books from us.
Oh, I see. So I cannot take this book home with me today?
You actually can take it today if we make a new card for you right now.
Really? Is that possible to do it so fast? I do not know the rules here.
Yes, it is very quick and easy. Many people come here for the first time.
Could you tell me what exactly is a library card used for?
It is a small plastic card with your name on it. It lets you take books home.
Oh, I understand now. So it acts just like a key to borrow the books?
Yes, a key is a very good example. Let us get started on your new card.
Okay, I am ready. What kind of information do you need from me?
I just need two simple things. I need to see your ID and your current home address.
My address. You mean the place where I live right now?
Yes, exactly. I need to know where you live. Do you have your driver's license with you?
Yes, I have my driver's license right here in my bag. Here you go.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Let me quickly type this information into the computer system.
Take your time. By the way, do I need to pay any money for this card?
No, you do not need to pay anything. The library card is completely free.
Oh, that is wonderful news. I really appreciate your help today, Mr. Parker.
You are very welcome. Here is your new card, and here is your book. Enjoy reading.
To borrow means to take something for a short time and give it back. Remember to bring your ID to get a free library card. Now, let's move to Situation 13. Surviving your first day at the office.
Excuse me. Hi, I think I am a little lost inside the office.
Hello there. That is very normal on your first day. My name is Jason.
It is very nice to meet you, Jason. My name is Chloe, and yes, it is my first day.
Welcome to the company, Chloe. Do you have a specific desk number or department?
I have this email on my phone. It says I am working in the marketing department.
Okay, that is easy. The marketing department is right this way. Please come follow me.
Thank you so much. I feel like everyone knows exactly what to do except for me.
Please do not worry. Everyone feels nervous on their first day. Even I was very confused.
Really? You were confused too? That actually makes me feel a lot better.
Yes, I sat in the completely wrong chair for a whole hour on my first day.
Wow, there are so many desks here. How will I ever find my own seat?
Just look for a small name tag on the desk. It will have your name printed on it.
Oh, I see one over there. It says Chloe Bennett. That is definitely my desk.
That is your desk indeed. Welcome to your new workspace. Do you want to sit down?
Yes, but I am still a little scared. Are you sure I am in the right place?
I am absolutely sure. Your company laptop is already sitting right there waiting for you.
Oh, thank goodness. You have been incredibly kind to help me out this morning, Jason.
You are very welcome. Take a deep breath, read your emails, and let me know if you need anything.
Colleagues are the people you work with every day at your office. It is completely normal to feel a little lost on your very first day. Our final situation today: confusing past and present verbs with your colleagues.
Good morning, Tom. I go to the doctor today to check my health.
Oh no. Good morning, Elena. Are you feeling okay today?
Yes, I am feeling fine. Everything is completely okay right now.
Wait, I am a bit confused. So you went to the doctor today and you feel okay now?
No, I did not go today. The visit did not happen today.
Oh, I see. Did you visit the doctor yesterday instead?
Yes, exactly. It was yesterday. I go to the doctor yesterday afternoon.
Got it. Just a small fix for your English. You should say, I went yesterday.
I went yesterday. Oh, I see. My brain always mixes up the time.
That happens all the time when learning a new language. When you say went, people know it is the past.
I understand now. I wanted to tell you about yesterday, but I used the wrong word.
You are doing great, Elena. So you went to the doctor yesterday. What did the doctor say?
The doctor told me to drink plenty of water and get some good rest.
That is excellent advice. And how are you feeling today after getting some rest?
Today, I feel much better. Thank you for asking about my health.
Great! Do you see the difference? Yesterday you went, and today you feel.
Yes, I see the difference clearly now. Thank you so much for correcting my mistakes so kindly.
Of course, I am always happy to help. Do not be afraid to keep practicing and talking.
Did you find the answer? What does renew mean? To get more time. Today you learned how to order a taxi and survive your first day at work. In part 4, we will ride the bus and go shopping at the mall. Keep practicing your English every single day. Please subscribe to our channel, and goodbye.
Daily Slow English.